Yeah? Ever since 2019, Elite Jamaica has been searching far and wide all over Jamaica. It's now 2021. Friday, no peeps, me uncle have to go work, but we have to do this for you guys, so we decided we'll do this first. I'm just for work already. Alright, so it's now 2021, and on this journey, I'm sure for a fact, so we are going to find or we are going to look for, and trust me guys, it's going to be exciting. I say, for all of those who want to watch the video till the end, you are going to miss out. You all need to watch the video until the end, because this is going to be really interesting. This is going to be groundbreaking. This is going to be exciting, guys. Alright? Yeah, man, now watch the video till the end. Alright, you see, Uncle have the metal detector. Yeah, man, I have the metal detector. So I know what we're all about. And we get proper information. Alright? Yeah, man. So, with no further ado, come go do it. Just want to say thank you to all the persons who have made Elite Jamaica the channel of your choice. You have been coming a far way, and from the information that we have, trust me, this is going to be exciting. And whatever I find, guys, I keep it to myself. Yeah, man, this is no clickbait, this is no joke. Watch the video to the end. And if you don't feel like watch to the end, you can skip to the end too. Alright, yeah, man. Storm. Yeah, guys, so where we're going, I'm gonna be showing you guys a beautiful mineral spring, or we should say a small river, because the spring big. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that too, guys. Yeah, guys, and this is that little stream right here. So like that start. So like that to start. So this is the water pump we use on the farm.
Yeah, water comes from under the...
Yeah, guys, that's a little spring right here, as you notice. Not really a lot, but it's running. See if we can go closer. settling out of the rock right there. Anyway, back to the program. Hey guys, so when you're ready to see what we find, like when you're seriously ready to see what we find. Alright, first, before me actually showing you that, I just want to say a big shout out to, or a big thank you to all the people who have been a part of the Elite Jamaica family. You know, we have started from back when, you know, we have started from Antoine, Akeem, Tafa, you know, Trevor, you know, everybody that has been a part of the team. It's Kenneth there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, listen.
Alright. Kenneth there on the farm, I go and look what go and call from the rainfall. Kenneth no come on the farm, you know? Yeah, man. Water pump like it one. Why say it one?
Stop.
I forget the plug. I forget try to get the plug. Look more an idea. Yeah, peeps. So, yeah, man. I'm showing how fine, alright? Yeah. I know I show you how fine, you know. This is what we found, peeps. Alright? As you know, Elite Jamaica is an adventure channel. So it wouldn't be good if we never come showing you this right where we are. Alright? So, first, just want to say thank you to YouTube for sending me this. Alright, so this letter, guys, my allergies kind of bother me. Come closer for them. Alright, this letter is from YouTube. Alright, it says here, let me run through this quickly. Do you remember your first subscriber? Do you remember your 100 or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans have found you while searching YouTube. They learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommendation video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being a part of a growing community that you established. We're thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building, can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write to ask you, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? And it says here, sincerely, Susan with the fun name, big up yourself, CEO, YouTube. Alright.
Nobody ever.
No?
Oh, make sure.
No, mommy, iron water.
Oh.
Peeps. Alright, so this card is from Rick. Yeah, Rick will package the whole of the thing them. Big up Rick.
Packaged with great care by Rick. Who's Rick? I'm Rick. There's Rick! Right there, look! Guys, if yours ever says inspected by Rick, here he is right here. Hey. With care.
Alright, yeah man, shout out. This is a congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. And it says if your award was damaged or anything like that, you know, you can call them. So guys, Kenneth say if I cry, may I cry? Yeah, peeps, you see that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so really want to say a big thank you to all the persons who have been a part of the Elite Jamaica family, the persons who have subscribed to the channel, who watch the video them, who like the video them, who comment on the video them, who share the video them. Guys, this is not for me, this is for all of y'all. I want to make it possible, you see me? Yeah, man. Second, hard work and dedication pay off, don't?
Yeah, after so many years.
Yeah, man.
And to stick to the challenge.
Whole heap.
I guess you must have some ups and downs.
Whole heap ups and downs along the way.
Yeah, and ups and downs. But stand firm, said we, and Hard work pay off.
Hard work, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks to all of your subscribers them way. Assist you along the way.
True.
And oh sure, success in the future. You understand?
Same way, someone.
Yeah, man. So, the elite family. Bless up the same.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Is it? Shout out to all who have been here, a part of the elite family. All who are there again. Big up on yourself, same way.